evening, Gustavo. How are you?
Good evening, Liz. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. Look at this photo. These are my friends, Noé and Miriam.
What is his name?
His name is Noé.
Where is he from?
He's from Peru. He is Peruvian.
How old is he?
He is 29 years old.
What do he do?
He is a mechanic. He works in a workshop.
Is he a mechanic?
Yes, he is.
What is her name?
Her name is Miriam.
Where is she from?
She is from Colombia. She is Colombian.
How old is she?
She is 25 years old.
What does she do?
She is a nurse. She works in a hospital.
Is she a nurse?
Yes, she is.
Now look at my photo, please. These are my friends, Alex and Sofia.
What's his name?
His name is Alex.
Where is she from?
He's from Chile. He is a Chilean.
How old is she?
He is 31 years old.
What does he do?
He is a chef. He works in a restaurant.
Is a chef?
Yes, he is.
What's her name?
Her name is Sofia.
Where is she from?
She is from Argentina. She is Argentine.
How old is she?
She is 28 years old.
What does she do?
She is a teacher. She works in a school.
Is she a teacher?
Yes, she is.
Nice to talk to you, Gustavo.
Nice to talk to you, Liz.
See you later.
Bye.